Hello everyone, this is Hangzhou Beibei Children's Healthcare Center, where I've been doing volunteer work. Many infants here suffer from plagiocephaly or head deformation. Not only will this deformation affect their appearance, but it can also lead to developmental difficulties, or in some cases, intellectual disability. The only feasible treatment at this moment is to treat the infants with customized appliances for correction before they grow up to 2 years old. Currently, however, most parents whose kids suffer from head deformity can hardly afford the imported correction helmets priced at $3,000, and most of them choose to give up the treatment, which might cause irretrievable consequences. We have developed our own cranial helmets priced 70% lower than the imported ones, using 3D printing techniques. The family and healthcare center are really delighted to hear this. Now we are in the National Silicon Lab, where I've done my internship and developed the silicone resin material used in the helmet. By mixing polyurethane, a cutting-edge organic polymer, and hydrolyzed silicone resin with epoxy groups, the material with interlocking structure can be formed. Its hardness and tensile strength is well suited to 3D printing helmet, and its stability ensures that unpleasant smell and negative impact on infants' health are minimized. This is our partner, a local corporation that produces 3D printing material. After scanning children's heads, individualized data models can be created using 3D Max, taking various indices into account. Finally, the UV curing printers create our helmets out of the data model using the material I've developed.
我们的这批矫形头盔，幼儿在使用3到6个月之后，即可达到基本正常范围之内，效果好，成本低。